Hello, and thanks for checking out my video. Today I want to show you this trepanning tool that I made. Some time ago I came across the YouTube channel of David Wilks and was really fascinated with the trepanning tools that he built and the operations he showed. I had a project that required me to take 8-inch round stock and create a stub shaft or multiple stub shafts, and I knew that if I was going to do that in a conventional manner, that was going to waste a lot of material. This is 4140, like I said, 8-inch diameter, and right now this stuff's about $50 an inch. So I knew that it was going to be a lot of wasted material, and I knew that the amount of chips that I would make would just be almost unmanageable in my tiny space that I have here, very cluttered space. So I thought maybe I could pull off something a little different. So I decided I would try to create a stub shaft, or at least rough out a stub shaft, using a combination of a deep groove and trepanning. So I built this tool. I created these cartridges to hold the WCMX 05 inserts rather than what's more common is the 06, and then create the tool and have it mounted to a shank that I can mount right in my tailstock. So this here is my first try. The deep grooving went a little rough, but we got through. Managed to trepan up to the groove and got myself a roughed out stub shaft and a nice ring of usable material, and I actually have use for this multiple places in this same project. So this piece of material here is about $150 worth of material, and there's going to be another one this size and then two more that are going to be a little bigger than that. Over here I've got a second stub shaft that has been turn down face and cut the step and the groove, and next step is to trepan in from this end. I'm currently held up a little bit with going any further, so I decided to make this video, and I will show you these cartridges here. So here are the cartridges. Again, they're using the WC531020 Sandvik inserts is what I'm going to be running in there. Just got some cheapy inserts in there at the moment. Got the inner here and the outer adjustable. And as you can see, the first stub shaft came out a little rough, and I wasn't quite sure what was going on, because it seemed to cut fairly smooth, didn't seem to have too much trouble, just a little bit of chip evacuation issues at the end. And originally I thought that was my issue, but then I realized that the mounting screws for my cartridges weren't deep enough, and they were sticking up enough to where they were rubbing on the edge here and had worn away almost into the hex here. So I'm hoping that with the deeper pockets I'll be able to get a much smoother cut. Thanks for checking out my video. Hope you like my idea. You should definitely go check out the David Wilks channel. He hasn't posted in a really long time, which is unfortunate, but still very interesting and very informative videos. Thanks.